morning, boys and girls. Today I'm going to share a book with you guys called The Five Little Kittens. It's written by Nancy Jewell and the pictures are by Elizabeth Sales. 5 little kittens lived in a house with their mama and papa and their little toy mouse. Every morning, promptly at 9, the 5 little kittens stood in a line. Then Mama Cat bade them one by one, licking each kitten with her rough pink tongue. For breakfast she gave them cream in a dish with a little hot porridge and a bite of fish. The kittens fed their little toy mouse a bowl of toy porridge in his little toy house. Then Papa Cat wiped his bowl and dish and gave the 5 kittens each a kiss. I'm off to work, Papa Cat said. Be good little kittens and make your bed. The kittens played tag and did their chores. When they were done, they played some more. Papa got home on the dot of noon and served fish soup with a big wooden spoon. The kittens fed their little toy mouse a toy fish bun in his little toy house. Then the kittens curled up in their mama's lap, and while she brushed them, they took a long nap. At the tail end of the day, when supper was done, Mama bade those kittens one by one. The kittens said goodnight to their little toy mouse and tucked him into bed in his little toy house. Then Mama and Papa told the kittens goodnight, gave them 5 kisses, and turned out the light. Okay, that's the end. I hope you enjoyed the book. Have a good day. Bye.